Hey guys, welcome to Casa De Compai. Thank you so much for your reservation. In this video, I want to show you some check-in features. Most importantly is the TV. So this is the home screen of the smart TV when you turn it on. And what you want to do is highlight where it says TV. And all I'm going to do is hit the OK button. So all you're going to use is the OK button and the directional arrows. So boom, open up the TV. And this is the last channel that somebody was watching. So all I'm going to do is use the back buttons, right? Back button here. To get over to this menu. This menu has three options: TV, movies, and shows. So we're going to go back to the live TV, and then over here you have your selection of different live TV channels, as you can see what they say they are. DE is for Deutschland, which is German channels. So for my German clients, we have Ireland. Then they go in to the UK. I'm working from the top up. So we have Canadian channels. Then it gets into your American channels, American Latin channels. And then these are the 24/7. So let's say if you're into reality shows and you're one of those guys who likes 90 Day Fiancé, what you do is you click on it. And when you see anything that's 24/7, all it's going to do is play 90 Day Fiancé in a continuous loop. Okay, so when you want to get out of that, you just back out of it. Okay, and hit the back button, and you just pick whatever live TV you want. I have so much TV for you to choose from. This is just all sports: rugby, tennis, Sport Match Center, USA, NHL, Major League, NBA, NFL Sunday Ticket, all the special soccer events. Right now we're doing the European Championship, so all those games are on the TV as well. Not to mention all your local USA channels. So let's say you're from Dallas or Philly or New York. You can actually go to your home. Here's Dallas right here. You can actually go and watch your local news at Dallas, in Dallas. That was Fox. So we got CBS, NBC, ABC. So what I love, let's say you are a Philly fan. You can watch the Philadelphia Eagles, Phillies on our local home TV, which I think is just phenomenal. Okay. Not to mention all kinds of other channels. So let's look at the movies. Movies, real simple. Pick your whatever genre you want. You want classic movies. You want thrillers. So let's go to horror. Okay, I don't know what May is, but let's just find out. Click on it, hit the play button, and then the movie's going to load. Wait, the reason I'm able to have good TV is because I have 100 meg download, 100 meg upload. So they'll make. So yes, once you back out, you pick any movie you want. Let's say, if you're into crime movies, just come over here, pick your movie, and listen, there's just in this one selection of crime movies, there's 1,814. I have more movies, more TV shows than you can imagine. So real quick, let's look at TV shows, which is probably my favorite. You can watch, let's say you're in a series that are drama based. You come over here, we got 1600. A history, you got 6. Action adventure, you got over 200. And all you do, let's say you want to watch Legion, you just click on Legion and just hit the play button, and season 1, episode 1 starts loading up. So it's real easy to use this system once you understand the basics. And it loads up quick, again, because I have 100 meg upload and 100 meg download. Doesn't sound much from people coming from, especially America, where some guys have a gig. down here, internet's very hard. So again, if you want to back out of it, just hit the back button, and then it's your back button again. And you just pick shows, movies, TV. A lot of guys go back to the TV. Again, you got whatever you want, guys. But that's how to use the TV in Casa De Compai. Every TV is an HD TV, a smart TV that has this same TV package. So it doesn't matter if you're in a studio, a 2-bedroom, or a 1-bedroom, they all work the same. The next little thing that I want to show you guys is coming over here. Is this. This is awesome. Okay, these are the thermostats that control the AC. So basically what it's telling us right now, it's 84 degrees at 75% humidity. And all you do is you touch that, the on and off button turns it on. You can see the fan speed, which is in the top left-hand corner. You're on cool, which is air con. And all you would do is come over here, if I can get it right, change your settings. That's all you have to do. And then boom, power it off. You're done. I would turn these off when you leave. It takes very little. It doesn't take long to cool these apartments down. So I wouldn't leave them running. It'll cost you more money than it's worth. But that's how they work. Awesome. Every air conditioner has this same unit as well. So that's how that works, guys. Again, thanks for your reservation in the Casa De Compai. Any questions, shoot me a WhatsApp, 849-628-3821.